Hi everybody, so now we are done Lorna's window, and I called it that after I was done because this was Lorna's idea. She really has been after me for years to do a view out a window, and so I did it, and I love the blue hydrangea. We went through each panel individually, right? We did each panel one at a time, and then they fit together here so beautifully. Now you could hang this on a wall without the frame if you wanted to, or you could hang them, you could even like put them straight across if you wanted to, like 1, 2, 3, 4, however you want to do it. I really love this treatment, this frame, and it's just kind of fun sometimes in the studio to run with someone else's idea and they get to see it come to fruition through my hands, I suppose, but it's still, it's an exciting thing. So we're really happy with it, and we hope that you'll be happy with it too. As you know, some of you have ordered this as a kit, some of you have ordered it as a downloadable pattern, and some of you, of course, bought the pattern on linen from us. So thank you for being part of this course and for seeing out Lorna's window just like I did. Thank you.